Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video I have this very beautiful wedding guest makeup look for you guys. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'll start by using this Benefit Professional primer. I already moisturized my skin, so I am going to use this primer to my T-zone and I think all over my face. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Benefit Ka Brow in the shade number 4. Before I used to use the Anastasia pomade, but I find that the Benefit pomade is a little bit less drying as compared to Anastasia one. And also the Benefit pomade is waterproof, so I like this one a little bit more. To clean up my brows, I'm going to use this MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. And I'm just going to clean up the edges and make them look nice and sharp.
Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry.
Again, taking that same soft ochre paint pot, I'm applying this all over my lids for the base for the eyeshadow. Now for the eyeshadow, today I'll be using single eyeshadows from Makeup Geek. This one is called Tanlines, a really pretty nice light brown color, perfect for that first transition shade. Makeup Geek is one of my favorite brand. Their eyeshadows are really pigmented, blends really well. So I have quite a few of Makeup Geek eyeshadows and I'm planning to buy more. So yeah, I'm just blending that first shade, which is Tan Lines, all over my crease and blending it upwards to my brow bone. Taking another shade, this one is called Cherry Cola, very pretty deep burgundy kind of color. I'm applying this Cherry Cola shade to the corners of my eyes, my inner corner and outer corner, and then I'm just going to blend that very nicely. And this time I switched my brush. I think I used Morphe M441 at first, and this one is Morphe M433. I'm just going to go back and forth between few brushes, some large blending brush and some small blending brush, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. So we are going to do a halo eyes today. That means the shimmer shadow will be on the center part of your lids. So to do that, you have to apply some concealer to the center of your lids for the base for your eyeshadow. I'm taking that same Cherry Cola shade from Makeup Geek in a small blending brush, and I'm just going to make sure that the lines are nicely blended, because you have to make sure that the outer lines are nicely blended. Take that same shadow that you use to your inner and outer corners and just make sure that the lines are not visible.
Your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be
So for the shimmer shadow, I'm going to take this foiled eyeshadow, which is also from Makeup Geek. This is in the shade Starry Eyes. This is such a gorgeous color, like really pretty champagne kind of a color. I absolutely love this one. This looks stunning. So now the eyes are almost done. I am just going to pop on some lashes. I am using this regular, just natural false lashes from Rebel Beauty. I will put their link in the description box if you guys are interested. These are just really natural lashes, just looks like your own lashes. So I'm just going to apply this, and I will also apply some mascara. For the face, we are going full on glam today, so I am going to mix these two foundation, Huda Beauty foundation and MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Huda Beauty is kind of a matte foundation which I don't really like, so I decided to mix it with my Studio Fix Fluid.
It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yet tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer.
Now for the concealer, as I said, we are going full on glam today, so I am using the MAC concealer. This is pretty high coverage, so I'm just applying a little bit, and this is in the shade NC30, and I'll also be using this to highlight my face. So to set that concealer in place, I am using my favorite powder, which is Fenty Beauty Universal Powder. So I'm just going to take that powder on that same sponge, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and I'll also quickly spray some MAC Fix Plus all over my face just so that it will melt that powder with my foundation and my concealer, and that will make my face not to look cakey and powdery. Taking my favorite bronzer, which is Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm only going to bronze up my face. We are not doing any harsh contouring today as well, only bronzing. So using that Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm just going to apply it to the outer part of my face, which is my cheekbones, my forehead, my temples, and my jawline.
'Cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh.
For the blush, I'm using one of my favorite, which is Milani Luminoso. As you guys can see, this looks so beautiful, adds that natural glow to your skin, so pretty.
I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all.
I'm using that same cherry cola shade to define my lower lash line, and then I'll use another shade, which is tanlines, to blend that line out.
I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh. My skin's on fire. I'm fire. My skin's on fire.
After that, I'm coating my lower lashes with some mascara. I'm using Benefit Bad Girl mascara. And now for the highlighter, I'll be using the Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Opal. Really pretty highlighter. I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face.
Right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you. Give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No.
Now lastly, for the lips, I am using this liquid lipstick from Tarte. I'm so sorry that I don't know the name of this lipstick because it is sample size and I got this as a gift, so the name is not written there, so I'm so sorry that I don't know the name of this liquid lipstick. The color is so pretty, but unfortunately I don't know. I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this full glam wedding guest makeup look. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.